Hello, everyone. Welcome to First Year Teaching Tips. This video series is dedicated to helping any teacher who is in their first year of teaching or in their first year in a new role. Veteran teachers are welcome as well. With that being said, let's begin. So, who am I? My name is Mia, and I am, as of the recording of this video, an 11-year veteran in education. I worked as a high school social science teacher in public and private schools, and currently work as an instructional technology specialist in a public district. When I began teaching, the landscape of education looked very different. However, I have found that there are some tips, tricks, and other bits of information I wish I had known when starting my career. Some of this advice comes from my own experiences, and some of it comes from what others have taught me. So let's dive into this video's tips about the social sciences. In every video, I have referenced my past experiences with these subjects, but I thought it was finally time to discuss the unique aspects of the social sciences that I think could help all teachers better understand this content area. Tip number one, integration of the social sciences can take place in a variety of subjects and vice versa. I want to clarify that I will be speaking from a place of expertise related to high school, but I am going to do my best to make certain the tips can apply to other levels of education as well. For this first tip, I wanted to share that social sciences can often seem like an afterthought when there are so many other standards or types of knowledge students must know. However, if you are a social sciences teacher, you can incorporate other subjects through art and music. The Smithsonian Museum even holds yearly professional development focused on such tasks. I am an alumni of one of their summer sessions, so if you are interested, check it out. For other subjects in art, history can be analyzed by having students try to replicate a historical era's style. In music, songs can be sung from around the world. In language arts, pieces can be contextualized in the society in which they were published. As can be seen, there are a lot of possibilities. I hope one of these examples inspires you. Tip number two, my motto was, if it can be Googled, I don't want to teach it. When I taught in the classroom, I did not place an emphasis on rote memorization of dates, vocabulary terms, or other specific factual data. Instead, I focused on students gaining analytical skills and writing skills unique to the social sciences. This motto, or pedagogical perspective, may not apply to you or even be one you agree with when teaching your students. However, I would ask that you consider it and think of your own motto for teaching the social sciences. What matters to you in this area of subjects? Tip number three, the social sciences can be used to reinforce school behavior expectations. This tip might sound a bit strange, but I firmly believe that the social sciences are the heart of academia, metaphorically speaking. If math is the brain, then the social sciences are the heart, or rather, the conscience. The social sciences can show students how to behave towards others by showing how various groups treat their own populations. In my experience as a student, there were not specific classes focused on teaching students morality or appropriate behaviors unless one was in a religious school. From what I have seen, there seems to have been a rise in systems such as positive behavior interventions and support programs, PBIS, restorative justice, among others. I do not recollect encountering such systems as a child in elementary school, a teen in high school, or even as an undergraduate education major. So the social sciences can be used to support systems such as PBIS by providing examples from history, civics, or other societies in anthropology and sociology about appropriate behaviors. Appropriate behaviors are socially constructed, and every school has some sort of behavior expectations. By using the information available in the social sciences, you can help set positive examples. Tip number 4, the social sciences should show your students what they can be. When teaching the social sciences, just like teaching any other subject, it is important to use the topics to show students their own potential. Whether it is by referencing historical or current figures, students need role models that reflect who they are personally. Just like in a science class, scientists may be featured in posters with individuals that reflect students' backgrounds. So too should the social sciences show the students individuals from their backgrounds and backgrounds different than their own. With the use of the social sciences, the future generation is being shaped. What past they see or other societies they encounter may change what future they create. Tip number 5, there is no way to teach everything in social sciences, and that is okay. This tip can apply to any subject, especially when considering the advanced levels. There is so much that has to be covered in any content area. What is important to remember is that for the social sciences in particular, students should gain the transferable skills they need that can be applied to other subjects. In one of the professional development sessions I attended while still teaching social sciences, I was doing an activity with a group of peers. A colleague was able to remember the specific date for a historical event. I asked them how they were able to do that, and they responded that it was their job. This sentiment is one with which I disagree. Social science teachers cannot remember every single fact about their content. However, it is important to always do your best to check your blind spots, seek other perspectives on a topic, and keep in mind you will most likely change how you teach the same topic 5 years from now. And that is okay. If we stayed the same in teaching our curriculum, our students would become bored. Stasis in teaching is to be avoided. Growth for your students and yourself is the goal. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also go to my website, www.guidegrowtech.com, for even more information on a variety of topics. Finally, I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of this topic. Take care.